Hey, today we're looking at the WPF Hot Reload feature in Rider. You may be familiar with C# Hot Reload, and that's great. WPF Hot Reload works similarly to let you modify your XAML in Rider and see the changes while your app is running. I'm going to paste in a snippet with Stack Panel here, hit Control S to save. You can see automatically my live application has been updated to include that text and the button. And it's the window that's running my application on Windows here, all in real time. And so I can, for instance, make the font size bigger if I want to make that text more readable for us. And I can even modify the logic behavior of my app. Let me add a click handler. I can just tab twice there to auto-complete and insert this uh, method here. And I'm going to put in a message box using some of the new .NET 10 expanded options for message box results. And I'm going to put a breakpoint in here and use the C# Hot Reload button to apply those changes. You can see the breakpoint is now active. So if I go over to my window and hit Control S again to activate this new click event in my XAML, I can just automatically click download, see the new message box. If I hit the retry button here, I'll break into the debugger and be able to just control my application flow and check that all out here in Rider. Very cool stuff. So this is available in Rider 2026.2 today. Download and check it out along with the rest of our .Ultimate suite.